Rock Bluff. Well, I guess a trickle's better than nothing.
Got to make a makeshift one out of a paper towel and some damn paper tape for painter's tape. Hey, it works. I'll put a glove on. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure the sun don't help. Sorry, Steve. Okay. We don't have a lot of water, but we got a little water. We're on the Ozark Highlands Trail. Probably about a 1.5 2 mile hike back here from the visitor center. It was worth it. But time to go back and check out other stuff. Hey there YouTube, I'm Tim with Jeeping and Exploring. Today we are in southwest Arkansas. We're just doing a little bit of hiking today. We're doing some exploring, not so much any jeeping. Maybe a little bit. If we get time we might hit a few back roads and see what we can find, but not sure about that yet. But anyways, like I said, we're down here at Lake Fort Smith right at the moment. We done a little hiking down the it's Ozark Trail, or yeah, something like that. I forgot. But anyways, we're at Lake Fort Smith right now. Went and checked out a little waterfall. And then now we're going to go to Devil's Den State Park, a few other places, check out some waterfalls, do a little bit of exploring. Got some bluffs we're going to check out. Probably going to go to Moonshine Cave. And then, you know, from there to see what kind of time we have from there. But anyways, just out of curiosity, drop me a comment and see what you guys think about the hiking videos. I know some people probably on here are more interested in the jeeping. Are you interested in the jeeping? You interested in the hiking, exploring? Do you like both? Just kind of trying to mix it up a little bit, offer a few things. But one of the main reasons also we're hiking today is coming up April 13th. We're going to be hosting a charity hiking trip down to Arkansas. If you watched a few videos back, probably 3 weeks ago, we hit up some waterfalls and everything in Arkansas, and every October we do Jeeping for a Cure in Ozark, Missouri, raising money for families that are affected with breast cancer. So I've been challenged through, it's called Ambassadors for Pink. You can get the information on ambassadorsforpink.com or also jeepingforacure.com, or I will be posting all the info on our Jeeping and Exploring Facebook page, so make sure and check us out there for details on ticket information and giveaways and all that. But again, that's going to be April 13th. We will leave out of Springfield, Missouri, and then we will make a pit stop in Harrison, Arkansas. So if anybody's down the Arkansas area, they can meet us there and follow us from there. But anyways, just if you're interested in that, just like I said, give us a follow on Facebook or check out ambassadorsforpink.com. There'll be a description and the details here, and we'll hope to see you there. And then follow along in this video, and we'll see you up the road. Don't know how much water normally is coming off this, but it looks pretty. I'm over pretty good. See if we can get up there up top a little bit. View from the top side. Area looks a little pretty over there. We're going to go walk over there and see if we can see what's going on over there. Down over here. See if we can do it without slipping and falling on these slick rocks. Not bad. I heard some more water flowing over here. Pretty bluff line. It's always cool when them rocks break off. rocky underneath, so that's good. That initial drop off will get you. So we made it down to Devil's Den State Park. We're gonna go hike the Yellow Rock Trail. It says it's about a 3-mile hike. Beautiful overlook. So capture a little bit of footage. I guess this is for the hangout spot for people that
Like me.
waiting. Like, I'm just gonna sit here and hang out. That's quite the. We'll be down there in a little bit. That's cool. That stone out there, perfectly square. All right. So, don't know if we can see it or not, but right up there is where we're going. Yellow Rock overlook. This would be funner in a Jeep. It's wider. I said if it was wider. Same terrain, but wide enough for a Jeep. Do a selfie in a minute.
Jennifer Hopper and I would just do like, hi, whoever wants to go into the Devil Pie spot, line up, and off we went. Into the dark cave, live, no guide. Yeah, you could go too far.
Okay, this is my new favorite view in Arkansas. This is cool.
You couldn't do that anymore.
I don't know, I say it every time we go to a new one, but this is pretty cool. Man, that breeze feels great up here.
Teenager, she was taking a selfie, and there's like, so you go down and then there's like a ledge and then it drops straight off, and she was on the ledge doing take a selfie, and she walked right off the ledge. She decapitated herself going. It's all dead. Yeah.
So we made it to the visitor center at Devil Den State Park. Handsome lad. Is that considered buns of steel? Oh wow. Oh, that looks like it needs to be jumped in. Oh, that water just speaks to you. I've never been so jealous of some geese. absolutely beautiful. Maybe. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Their stairs goes up to the top of that rock too. So this is the Devil Den's cave, I guess, and we're on the Devil's Den trail. We're going back. It's about 1.5 miles back here. I think there's a waterfall back there. We're gonna go keep walking. Oh man. Oh wow. Awesome overhang.
It's really cold. It is really cold.
It's because there's no.
Go down to the bottom and check that out.
I'm going in.
Get down to the bottom.
Quiet!
Awesome overhangs. That's cool.
I'm right here.
Is this the cave? Oh, that's cool.
Yep, no closer.
Now act like you're about to.
Oh wow, look at that.
Because I probably would.
Yeah, you can walk.
This won't pick it up, but that goes down there. Yeah, it is. Some of this almost reminds me of Elephant Rock. Yeah. That's a good way down there. Well, I guess you can go down there. Whew.
cave opening down there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at right down here. So you can,
Oh yeah, this is it.
this is it.
Yeah.
You wanna go down there? I'm afraid these rocks are gonna shoot.
Wonder what that cage is back there.
They're opening right
Is there
there.
another way to go?
Looks like there's an opening.
Kristen?
No. It's a little slippery. There's no wet.
There we go.
Oh, this is neat.
Yeah, it is. I'd go down there and take me a nap. I ain't kidding. Oh, this feels amazing. Oh,
Get me. Hold her down here.
Yeah, look. This comes out on this side. Where I just stepped.
yeah, see daylight.
Yeah. Oh man, it just feels freaking great down here.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Look, from my point of view with the shad, it looks like there's an apparition in there.
Do you want me to hold this while you?
Flight position just
Okay.
right. So that one won't be- You going through this?
Nope, it's all you. It's all you.
That was definitely a heck of a climb out of there. Holy crap. That's quite a ways down there. I ain't climbing down that one. That's probably the cave on the map. That's probably the cave that's on Gaia right there. Yeah, that's cool. These things are just the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, that air.
That's nice.
Oh, this is cool. My phone can't really pick it up, but that goes down there a ways. Oh, man. It looks like it goes down and around and like out over there.
And that's probably why they have the stupid grates so people don't walk in them.
Yeah, it is because the bats.
Because of the white nose. And
Yeah. Yellow Rock was nice, but this blows it away. I mean, the bluff was cool, but as far as the whole experience, that's cool. Another big overhang rock. Eventually we'll find this waterfall. This is probably the hardest hike I've done. I'm sure somebody that hikes all the time probably would laugh at this, but when you're a big guy like me and 300 pounds, well, good news is we hear water, so that means it's flowing, and we finally made it. And we made it. Get over here, we can see. We'll get over closer in a minute, but so we finally made it after about a 2-mile hike. I'm beat up, still gotta make it back, but we made it. Looks like it may be a 2-tier. We're gonna walk over and see, but we made it. Oh, water dripping off that. Oh yeah. That was pretty. But this is real pretty. This was like, I remember they called it like Giddy Up Falls or something. When I have time to look it up, remember I'll share that, but quite the hike back here to it, but definitely pretty. And then some of those steps down there. Well, it's one of the Arkansas waterfalls I can check off my list. Maybe one of these years I will have seen all of them. Maybe not. Anyway, we're gonna walk back down there and head back toward the Jeeps. We are at the edge of Devil's Den State Park. We're gonna go hit Moonshiner's Cave. Hopefully I don't die on this trail because I'm beat, but could not leave this area without getting to this place because this is the one that I looked most forward to. So we're gonna go down this trail and check it out. It's not supposed to be that bad, but anyway, follow along and we're gonna head down that way. So after a long hike, we finally made it. We took a couple wrong turns. There's a lot of private property down here. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see it. That's awesome. Of course, there's graffiti on it. If anybody's watching this video that done anything like this, which I doubt you are, shame on you. It does feel pretty good in here though. Waterfall comes off. Yeah. Water coming off over there too. This place sure is pretty, but I'm spent. I gotta make the walk back to the Jeep. Oh. Anyway, that's Moonshine Cave. Alright, that's all for this video. We done a lot of hiking today. I got way more steps in than I normally do in a day. Especially being a truck driver, that ain't hard to do. But anyways, thank you all for watching. And we've got a goal by the end of the year. Sure like to hit that milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see all of our upcoming stuff, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like, all that stuff that helps us out. Also, like I had mentioned in the beginning of the video, we got some Jeeping for a Cure charity events coming up this summer. First one being April 13th, a hiking trip to Arkansas. This summer we got some day trips that involve some off-roading and some trails, and then we're going to do an overnight camping trip down the river in Eminence. If you want to see part of what that trail will be, go back and watch the video of the New Year's Day trail where we hit all the water crossings, and you know, you can be a part of that. So anyways, also all the stuff will be in the description for links. Also make sure you guys get your tickets and come check out Jeep Branson this year, along with Jeeping for a Cure. But anyway, we're going to head back to Missouri and end it there. And as always, we will keep exploring. We'll see you next trip. Sorry, I'm winded. It's been a long day. Later.